Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on Mac. Many Mac users want to enjoy their favorite mobile games on a larger screen, and it's entirely possible. The key is using an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. This allows you to download and run mobile applications just as you would on a phone or tablet, providing a much more immersive gaming experience with better controls. The first step is to select and install a reliable emulator. We recommend downloading BlueStacks from its official website to ensure you get the legitimate and most up-to-date version. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the prompts. It's crucial to grant any requested permissions during installation, as these are essential for the emulator to access your Mac's resources and run games effectively. With your emulator successfully installed, it's time to set up Call of Duty Mobile. Launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account, which gives you access to the Google Play Store. From there, use the search bar to find Call of Duty Mobile. Click to install the game, just as you would on an Android device. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game directly from the emulator's home screen. To truly enhance your Call of Duty mobile experience on Mac, optimize your gameplay and controls. Most emulators offer robust key mapping tools, allowing you to assign game actions to your keyboard and mouse for superior precision. Experiment with in-game graphics settings to find the best balance between visual fidelity and performance. For an even more immersive feel, many players find that connecting a compatible game controller provides a more traditional and comfortable gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.